I'm showing you a chest ESP mod for Minecraft Java Edition. As you can see, I'm on their official CurseForge page right now. This will be linked in the description below. It supports quite a few versions of Minecraft Java Edition for both NeoForge and Fabric. Seeing as Fabric is the more popular version, I'm just going to be going for Fabric for this video, but of course you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to also download the 1.21.10 version. If you are using the chest ESP mod for Fabric, then you will also need to download the Fabric API. I'll link this in the description too. Now, seeing as we're using this for Fabric, you will obviously also need to have the Fabric loader installed for whatever version you want to use this. In my case, as you can see, I already have it installed over here. If you're not sure where to get this, or if you don't have it yet, I'll link the Fabric loader right down in the description below as well. But for right now, as you can see in my downloads, I have the chest ESP and the Fabric API mod, and then we can just simply go ahead and put this inside of our mods folder. So you want to press on Windows and R at the same time, like I already did a little early there, ahead of myself. Then in the box that pops up, type in app data. Then go into the folder called roaming.minecraft and then mods right over here and simply drag in these two mods. I also have the cubes without borders mod because I need that for recording. But anyways, once you have that there, we can simply open up the Minecraft launcher and then launch Fabric for 1.21.10. And here I am inside of Minecraft with the chest ESP mod. And you'll notice that there is a lot of green squares floating around already. Don't worry, you'll be able to customize this and edit this, and I'll show you how to in a second. But basically, these are all of the chests around the world. You can recognize them by the green color. You'll also notice that there is some yellow things. I don't remember off the top of my head what blocks those are. Maybe they are chest minecarts, but we can check all of that in the chest ESP mod menu. So how do we get there? Let me explain the basic usage first, right? So you can go into the pause menu, and then you'll notice this mods button over here. This is part of the Fabric mod menu mod, which is built in to the chest ESP mod. It's nothing like sus, like a hack or whatever, but it basically just allows you to view your active Fabric mods. As you can see, here is the mod menu mod, which chest ESP automatically manages right there. So we can see the chest ESP mod over here. And if you want to manage that, we can simply double click on it just like so. And then that is going to open up all of these settings. And this is going to allow you to customize the colors that each of the different types of blocks you can look for is going to be displayed as. So as you can see, the chest color is the lime green one, which is what we saw earlier. And apparently the orange is trapped chests. So I guess that's what there was a few of down here somewhere. Or actually that was yellow. So let's go back into the chest ESP mod and see what those were then. They were chest minecarts. Okay, so in that case, we are most highly likely above a mineshaft, right? And so you can toggle the colors, you can change them to whatever you want, but you can also manage whether or not you want to display any of these. So maybe we want to turn off everything except the chests, just like that. Save and quit, done. And now the flags for the minecart chests have disappeared and we can only view the chests, or you could even just simply go into this menu and turn the mod off completely. Of course, that won't make it disappear from your Minecraft instance, but nothing more visual will show up. And then whenever you need it, of course, you can go back into the mod menu and turn this on again. And now we can see all these chests over here. So in this case, in a random single player world, this is obviously like not going to matter much at all. I mean, there's a bunch of chests there, so obviously there's a village, and this pair of chests here is obviously going to be a mob spawner, right? But in multiplayer scenes and such, this can definitely be incredibly overpowered. This is a mod that I've used myself also in videos before on Donut SMP, probably one of the most overpowered servers to use this on. And because of that, it is also a feature in many hack clients. You might be in that case wondering, well, why am I showing you the standalone mod? Honestly, I can kind of appreciate the cleanness of just having it as a standalone mod instead of installing an entire hack client along with it. If we look at Meteor, for example, you need to do a whole lot of things for that not to be detected on Donut SMP, for example, and now recently they actually updated their anti-cheat as to where even if you have all the protections in place, if you have a keybind set to free cam, you'll be banned anyways, because for some reason they are able to detect that. And that's just all this unnecessary complexity, because I bet a lot of people don't even necessarily consistently use FreeCam on Meteor, right? So it's a lot of kind of unnecessary complexity that comes along with this client. Of course, you kind of sacrifice convenience because really we only have a chest ESP now, but let me tell you what, it works perfectly, and that's really all you need. So I guess it is literally that simple. Enjoy finding chests, I guess, on any world, realm, server, or whatever. For right now, though, that was basically that. Let me know down in the comments below if you enjoyed this type of video. But for right now, thank you all ever so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I definitely do hope to see you again in the next one. Bye.